In front of me is OnePlus Nord 6 and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in pop-up view. Begin by selecting an app you wanna use in this view and launching it in the background, like that. Now tap on those three dots at the top of it, and from this pop-up, click on Floating Window. Then enjoy using your app in this little window. To move it around, hold those three dots at the top and drag it. To scale it, hold one of its bottom corners and drag it as well. To minimize it, tap on Home button and swipe Tiny Window to the side. Then access it by tapping on the bubble and then Tiny Window. If you want to use more options of your floating window, tap on the same three dots you just used to move it and pick any of those. Minimize, which is turning it into a bubble. Full screen, which will instantly let you use it in full screen view. Split view, to switch from pop-up to split. You can go back by tapping on the same three dots and tapping on floating window. And last but not least, close. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!